Right now as you sit watching this video, you and our entire Milky Way galaxy are being dragged through space at exactly 1.3 million miles per hour. And the terrifying part is we are heading straight towards something so unimaginably massive it breaks our understanding of physics and we cannot even see it. Astrophysicists call it the Great Attractor. To pull our galaxy at these violent speeds, this invisible cosmic beast must contain the mass of 100,000 galaxies. That is 100 quadrillion suns. Yet when our most advanced telescopes look in that exact direction, they see absolutely nothing. Scientists are genuinely baffled and divided. Is it an undiscovered supercluster? A fundamental flaw in gravity itself? Or something much darker? What exactly is pulling us into the dark? To understand why this is so impossible, we have to look at the normal rules of the cosmos. We know the universe is expanding. According to standard cosmology, galaxies should be drifting apart evenly in all directions like raisins expanding in a baking loaf of bread. But this is where things get strange. Instead of drifting outward, tens of thousands of galaxies in our local universe are moving against the expansion. They are flowing together like a cosmic river toward one specific point in the Centaurus region. We are uncovering classified cosmic anomalies like this every single week. If you want to piece together the real puzzle of our universe, hit that follow button right now. Because what I am about to reveal next, the reason we are completely blind to this cosmic giant, is exactly why so many truth seekers are joining us every single day. Stay with me here. This detective story began in 1973 when astronomers Vera Rubin and Kent Ford first noticed our galaxy was speeding in the wrong direction. By 1986, a legendary team of astronomers known as the Seven Samurai used advanced radio telescopes to map 400 galaxies, realizing they were all caught in the exact same gravitational riptide. But when they pointed their instruments at the coordinates of the pole, they hit a brick wall. A cosmic blind spot. They realized the biggest threat to our galaxy was hiding behind the one thing we can never look past. They hit the zone of avoidance. You see, the Great Attractor sits perfectly behind the thickest, dustiest, most star-choked part of our own Milky Way galaxy. Imagine trying to see a distant mountain range while staring directly through a raging, blinding blizzard. That is our view. Using X-ray astronomy in the late 90s, scientists finally peered through the dust and found a massive collision of galaxies. Mystery solved, right? But here is where it gets crazy. When scientists tallied up the total mass of that galaxy cluster, it was only 10% of what is needed to pull us at 1.3 million miles an hour. It was not nearly enough. Recent data from the Rosetta Space Telescope points to a larger structure further out. But some theoretical physicists argue we are not being pulled at all. They believe we are being pushed by an impossibly large void of absolute nothingness sitting right behind our galaxy. A cosmic repulsion. So what do you think is actually happening in the dark? Are we being pulled by an undiscovered massive web of dark matter? Are we being pushed by a giant empty cosmic void? Or is our fundamental understanding of gravity just completely wrong? I genuinely want to know what you think. Drop your wildest theory in the comments below right now. This is a safe space for out-of-the-box thinking, and I read every single one. What is your verdict? This affects how we see our very place in the universe. If there are structures out there massive enough to overpower the expansion of the universe itself, it means the cosmos is fundamentally lopsided. It means dark matter is pooling and operating in ways our standard models simply cannot predict. What you are witnessing is a paradigm shift in real time. By the end of this decade, the way we teach physics in schools might have to completely change. We are all passengers on a galactic ship, and we are just now realizing someone else might be steering. But we are not flying entirely blind anymore. Science is progressing at an explosive rate. The James Webb Space Telescope infrared sensors are specifically designed to pierce through thick cosmic dust. And upcoming mega projects like the Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope will soon map the distribution of dark matter with unprecedented mind-bending precision. The blinders are finally coming off. Scientists around the world are now pooling their data, and within our lifetime we will absolutely map the true shape of whatever is lurking in the zone of avoidance. But the Great Attractor is not the only cosmic anomaly threatening to rewrite our science textbooks. Next week we are diving into the Boötes Void, a spherical region of space 330 million light-years across that is inexplicably and terrifyingly empty. And after that we will expose the axis of evil, a glaring pattern at the edge of the universe that physics says should not exist. You will not want to miss either of them. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Remember, every time you look up at the night sky you are not just looking at stars, you are looking at the greatest unsolved mystery in human history. The universe is full of secrets and we are just getting started. Stay curious, keep looking up, and I will see you in the next transmission.